Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, I am Cherice Shana and I do a whole bunch of different types of videos here on YouTube. So make sure you go ahead and follow, click the subscribe button, and of course, do not forget to press the notification bell so you guys can stay up to date with all the videos that I have, because there's a lot of them and there's a lot of them coming. So if you guys saw my last tutorial, I did use the box of crayon palette and I'm going to go ahead and use it again. I love this palette so much. There's so much different looks with this palette that you can do. I mean, come on you guys, look how much colors are in this palette. So obviously I'm going to be doing a lot of looks with them. So I decided that I'm only going to use this eyeshadow palette today to create whatever look I come up with. I'm not going to talk throughout the video. You guys can just sit back and watch it. And you know, of course, I'm going to let my hair down and let you guys see my hair and all that jazz. I will have a review. I did an unboxing on this hair that I have installed. Check out the video for that. And I am going to go ahead and just do my makeup. And you know, you guys can just groove out with me to some music while I do my face, and I'll show you guys what my hair and stuff is looking like. So stay tuned. Let's get into the video.
I start off with my clean color primer and just spray a little bit of that on my face. Dry it a little bit as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some tape on my face. This is just going to allow for the eyeshadow to go on pretty smoothly without the excess. I'm using a Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer, which is going to keep the shadow lasting all day long. And I also put it around my eye. Going in with my box of Crayons Palette, I'm taking my fluffy brush and I'm going into the brown color. And this is going to act as a bomb transitional color for me. Now when I'm picking my eyeshadow looks, I don't really know what I'm doing, to be honest. I just pick whatever I feel like picking at the time. So brown it is. And as you can see with the primer, it shows up really nicely. And I'm going to go ahead and take my MAC brush and go on with the black color. And I'm going to put that in the outer V. And then I'm going to go back with my fluffy brush and get some deep plum. And I'm going to put that deep plum in the corner, outer corner crease, just for some depth and volume. And then I'm going to go ahead and do a cut crease using my MAC's Painterly paint pot. And I'm using my concealer brush to put it on my face. I do just do both of my eyelids. That gives the paint pot a little bit of time to dry. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm trying to think between orange and blue, but I go ahead and I definitely choose the orange color. And I'm placing that all over the lid. All I do is I put it down in a patting motion. And I'm not going all the way into the inner corner of the lid. I'm just doing the outer part and the central lid. I'm still a makeup beginner, you guys, so I will be making mistakes, but practice definitely makes perfect. I decided to use the gold color for the inner portion of my lid. So I'm just going to go ahead and pat that right on in. And I did put a little bit of the paint pot a little bit above where it was supposed to be. So to kind of meet that out, I'm using a little bit of the tan color, and that basically is like the same color of my skin tone. So when I just put that on there, it kind of blends everything all together. So I decided to go in with my concealer brush and use the aqua blue color, or the turquoise blue, and decided to put that in the actual crease. I pretty much just was going with the flow with this one. No real rhyme or reason why I decided to use that color, just felt like using it. I decided to take a little bit of the violet with the concealer brush as well and use that in the crease, so it pretty much goes from the turquoise glittery color into a violet glittery color, which corresponds with the deep plum, and I thought it gave it a pretty decent look. Now going back into the brown shade just to put a little bit more on and blend everything together. I feel like my outer V can be a little bit more sharp, so I'm going in with the black again just to kind of smudge it and smoke it out a little bit more. And as you can see, it's definitely smoking it out. Time for eyeliner, and I'm using my Rimmel London eyeliner with a felt tip pretty much to go ahead and create my wing line. I love wing eyeliner, so a staple for me is definitely a wing. I kind of take my time. Like I said, I'm a beginner with makeup, so, and this is pretty easy, especially when you have different makeup items to kind of play with. So I really like this eyeliner though. It goes on really smooth. I didn't do it too dramatic though this time. So now I'm going to go ahead with my Wet n Wild mascara just to kind of coat my lashes a little bit before I put the falsies on. And then I'm lining my waterline with Jet Black by Celavíe. Now it's time to take that tape off. And now you can see the precision, right? Alright, so now I'm just spraying my face one more time with the primer. And it's time for the skin, so I'm using the LA color corrector in the color orange. This is just to go over the dark spots on my skin, you know, from blemishes or wherever I've shaved or anything like that, because I am pretty hairy. Don't come for me though. I'm using my face brush by Real Techniques and just buffing that orange color corrector into my skin. And then I'm going in with my stick foundation from Black Opal in the color Nutmeg and using my beauty blender to go ahead and blend right into my skin. I'm going over my chin, into my neck, all the good stuff, you guys. I'm not trying to miss no marks today. And if your friends don't tell you that you're not blended correctly, they're not your friends. I'm going to go ahead and highlight in the color Fawn with the LA Pro Girl Concealer. You guys should know at this point what my highlight and contour looks like. But if you want an in-depth video on how I highlight and contour, I'll do that for you. I'm using the mahogany as my contour color. And then I'm using the other side of my beauty blender to go ahead and blend, blend, blend. Now I'm deciding to go ahead and kind of use my nose to kind of blend out the contour. Well, use my fingers, sorry, to blend out the contour part of my nose, and then go in with my Real Techniques brush, sorry, can't talk, and buff that all in. The reason why I use my fingers is because it's just better for me, easier. Then I'm setting my under eye with the Banana Midnight powder in the color, well, of course, banana. I can't even talk today. I'm not even gonna edit this out. So anyways, as you can see, I'm setting my face. I didn't use too much setting powder. And I did put my lashes on off camera, you guys, because yeah, I just couldn't do it on camera. The lashes that I'm using is by Lilly Lashes, and it is in the style Miami. I'm using the Anglola powder by the Crayon case, and can't you see how bomb this highlight color is? Guys, this highlight color is bomb. Look at that. Ooh, shiny, y'all. I love that highlight. It's so bomb. And I do use my finger to put it on my nose. That's just what I do. That's just what I do. Like I said, I'm a beginner, and I'm pretty sure I'll find a brush or whatever that does it to my liking. But until then, it just is what it is. And I use my fan brush to just buff it in where it need be. Now, I didn't like the fact that the fan brush wasn't blending it properly, so I'm taking my MAC brush and I'm just going ahead and blending it into my skin so that it does not look so sharp and it kind of blends in the right way. And of course, I gotta spray my face. This is with a clean color. This is the setting spray, and it's a matte setting spray. Now it's time to fix my hair, so let me go ahead and take this out for you. Oh yeah. Alright, you guys, and this look is pretty much done. Oh wait, I need lip products, sorry. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with Mocha by Celavíe. And then I'm going to use this gorgeous color, Iridescent Purple by Victoria's Secret. And it's lip gloss, you guys. It's so bomb. Do you see that color? Oh, beautiful. And the look is pretty much finished, you guys. So go ahead and tell me what you think. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click on that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in another video. Until next time, you guys. Bye.